So here I am at the end of Collins Wharf. This is as far as we can go at the moment. My name is Graham. Please come with me while we explore Collins Wharf in Melbourne's Docklands. A destination well worth visiting. And you can see embedded in the wharf are these railway lines. Looking to the east, we can see the high-rise buildings of Melbourne, Docklands apartments. There's a lot of planters and also benches along Collins Wharf to make it comfortable for people to use it for recreational purposes. So let's head down Collins Wharf in the direction of the city and see what we can find. The steam tug Wattle was launched in 1933 at Cockatoo Island in Sydney Harbour. It first saw service with the Royal Australian Navy during the war. It was later transferred to Melbourne, where it was used for scenic cruises around Port Phillip Bay. It is currently being refurbished by volunteers. The next ship we come to is a tall sailing ship called the Alma Dopel. And here's the Alma Dopel restoration project. This ship is currently being renovated and refurbished, and it is going to be used as a training ship for young Australians to learn how to sail on a tall ship and navigate around the oceans. The project is being maintained and administered from this warehouse here. The project is available for public access on Thursdays to Saturdays 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. And here's a more comprehensive view of the Alma Dopel. The developer of Collins Wharf, which is Lend-Lease, has awarded this company, Hickory, the contract to build the next 3 apartment blocks. Now here's a ship called the Defentex. Obviously a working ship. What it does, I'm not sure. But it looks a very powerful sort of a ship. If anybody knows what this vessel here, the Defentex Horizon, is used for, please let us know in the comments. I looked Defentex up, and they are a defence contractor, and there was a bit of information about the Horizon, but it was very non-specific and very vague. We now come to some of the commercially available mooring positions for those of you who have a yacht. So there's a nice little runabout. You can take it out on the weekend, run down to Portsea for a picnic and back again. And here's something a bit more modest, but he's got a very good parking spot. This is the Dalbora private marina, and it is home to several $1 million worth of yachts and motor cruisers. Melbourne City Marina is located on the opposite side of Victoria Harbour. Dear viewers, if you subscribe to my channel, there's a chance I may be able to get monetized by YouTube, and then I too can buy one of these toys. So don't forget, if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe. Help Graham become a yachty. This ship here is called the Melbourne Showboat. I don't quite know what it is, but I suspect it's some sort of floating restaurant and cabaret. Actually, I tell a lie. It's called the Lady Cutler. Okay, so the vessel's name is the Lady Cutler, but it is operating as the Melbourne Showboat. I'm not sure what this structure here is. It's fairly substantial, so it's obviously got a use for something. If you know, please let us know in the comments. Okay, so it's a landscaping feature filled with plants in boxes and vegetation to provide a windshield and a seating area inside. Okay, now I see it. It's not only a sheltered seating area, it's a public barbecue. Very nice indeed. We are now getting very close to where Collins Wharf meets the esplanade of Victoria Harbour. Here is a large cluster of wooden piles with pointy metal hats on them. If anybody knows what the purpose of these structures is, could you let us know in the comments? I'd be really interested in finding out. And here's another nice little seating area to sit down and enjoy your lunch. Steps and also a nice ramp to get you up to the higher level there. Let's take a walk down this ramp towards the pontoon at the end. And my best guess is that these three boats are dragon boats. So this is a Kingfisher 2, which is a charter boat. So companies can charter it for cruises, dinners and events. And there is Marvell Stadium. And here's some more of these vertical piles, this time with painted white tops rather than metal cones. I do wonder what they're used for. Would I like to live in one of these apartments on the Docklands Precinct? Well, the answer is no, and I'll tell you why. Some time ago, when they first started developing South Bank, I went to have a look at apartments in one of the towers. I forget which one it was, but the display apartment was up on the 34th floor. So I took the lift up to the 34th floor, found the display apartment, had a look around. It was quite nice. But then I went out and stood on the balcony and looked down, and I did not like it. I did not like it at all. And I found that really strange because at the time I was a skier and I was very used to going up to the top of steep slopes and skiing down. So I thought vertical heights would hold no fear for me. However, that view from the 34th floor of the apartments in South Bank certainly proved the liar of me. So I will never ever live in a high-rise apartment block. I like having my little piece of ground and a quick way to escape if anything untoward should happen. Al Sanur Lebanese restaurant. So this looks like a public library serving the Docklands. Community social facilities at the Docklands. Display apartment and sales office for prospective purchasers. Bring plenty of money. And I hope you're going to believe me, but a little way to the north of here is a cow up a tree. So let's go and find it. There it is, as promised, one cow up a tree. And why is the cow up the tree? Well, a cow's got to go somewhere. And I have to go back to Mornington. I hope you found this video both enjoyable and informative. If so, please click the like button and share the video with a friend. Thank you again for watching.